10 foods that people have been eating the wrong way for their entire lives. These 10 cooking hacks won't just make your life easier, they'll make it absolutely delicious. Cook bacon in the oven. If you want crisp, delicious, flat bacon the way you see it in restaurants, then set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lay out your bacon on a tray and let it crisp up for 20 minutes. Once you try this, there's no going back. Slice cake with floss. Dental floss isn't just for your teeth and gums anymore. Grab a long piece of floss, make sure it's flavorless, and pull it taut. Then lower it over your cake to slice it evenly. You'll never worry about making a mess with all that frosting again. And that's one less piece of cutlery you'll have to wash. Store oil in sriracha bottles. If you use this hot and tasty sauce regularly, stop recycling the bottles. Instead, use them to store your olive oil. The easy pour lid makes getting the right amount of oil a total breeze. Use mints for hot chocolate. If you want to add a kick to your next mug of hot chocolate, crush up all those restaurant peppermints from the bottom of your purse into a fine powder and stir it right into your mug. Grill fish on slices of lemon. The next time you plan to grill up a nice piece of fish, place a layer of sliced lemons on the grill grate first. Then, simply lay the fish on the bed of lemons. This will really bake in some amazing citrus flavor and prevent your fish from getting burned. Waffle iron leftover pizza. If you love leftover pizza but despair at finding a way to heat it back up, the oven takes way too long and the microwave makes it too mushy. Put your waffle iron to work. Fold over your slices to protect the cheese and topping, and close the iron for some truly delicious pizza paninis. Cook your carrots. Believe it or not, it isn't always a great idea to eat all of your vegetables raw. Carrots produce a crazy amount of carotenoids when cooked, and those carotenoids have great health benefits, so get to cooking. Secure your tomatoes. Do you love tomatoes on your sandwich but hate the way they always seem to slide out? It's a common problem with an easy solution. Simply wrap your tomato slices inside your sandwich meat to keep them in place. Save your ice cream from freezer burn. There's nothing more grim than opening ice cream and discovering that spiky layer of ice all over it. Double bag your container in sealable plastic bags to keep that troublesome moisture out and your ice cream fresh. Cook your eggs inside of onions. If you want to make the breakfast sandwich to surpass all other breakfast sandwiches, cook your eggs in raw onion rings. Not only will the onions keep the egg whites a more uniform and sandwich-friendly shape, but they'll taste super yummy. These hacks are so helpful and so tasty. Once you start doing these, you won't ever go back to cooking and eating food the same way again.